ain't broke, cause I don't need it. Bitch.
Alright, chat, what's good, YouTube? We back with the POV drive, you know what I'm saying? On the goddamn RT mobile. Hold on, I hear a whole bunch of fucking noises. Keep the fucking custom pages though, track mode, all that shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, but before we get busy though, got the taser on. I got my girl here. Gonna get right. Some goddamn Kia Soul moving that though. He moving that bit behind me. Oh, we switching lanes. He going this way. Hold on, a Kia Soul going crazy. Yo, a Kia Soul going crazy. Hold on, track mode. Oh, he about to exit. He about to exit. Walk down though. First off, oil change is great. Now that Kia Soul was pushing that hole.
I would say go around these niggas, go that way.
No charger. He ain't on shit, little V6. Smell that. I smell a power. Hell no, nigga, I smell fucking weed. Go ahead and touch Dallas and touch back through the city and shit. I like riding that custom though. At least when I try to like slide corners and shit, I like riding it custom. Bro, I'm telling you, bro, yesterday when I first put it on and tried it out, bro, I swear, I held the fucking hardest rolling burnout, my nigga. Like, that shit was tough. Like, I wish I could see, like, the outside view of my car, my nigga, because, bro, I be looking so fucking fine. Like, I know it looks so hard, bro. Especially the sound, too. I actually never heard my car on a flyby yet. I might have you do a flyby for me. I might have you do a flyby for me. Like,
You ain't on the highway?
no, like,
On the street?
yeah. On the highway is crazy. I'm gonna stay on the fucking shoulder and you gonna zoom past my. Yeah, chat. The VA life is lovely. Besides my gas though, my gas ain't that bad. Oh, my gas is 16.8. My shit dropping. My shit used to be at 19, now my shit's 16.8.
That is terrible.
My gas mileage is cooking. I think it's because of track mode. Track mode burning my shit.
Now I see why niggas be having low gas.
Yep. The lowest I seen was like 9 or 8. So what I have is like not bad to me. That shit ain't bad to me.
Yeah, but you need food.
I was cutting the fuck up with an RT yesterday. I'm gonna show the clip in a little bit. Like, if I haven't already, like, I was moving out with an RT yesterday. city POV, like trying to go through the city core.
Like drive down the downtown Dallas?
Yeah, I'm not waiting this line. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, you should.
See what's down here. What's that one? What's that one place you wanted to go try? Insomnia cookies.
What, Insomnia cookies again?
Yeah.
I mean, I guess we can.
What's over here?
Down here that we also,
I don't think it's shit over there. Hold on, let's go.
this is downtown Dallas Review.
Let's go through here.
Yeah, that's 12. I've never been here.
I have. Back in them field trip days.
What?
Them field trip days back in school and shit. Oh, hell yeah.
I want to go to a aquarium. I've never been up. I've never seen this up close.
You got the place, John.
Caught on fire?
No, like, I heard that's where John F. Kennedy died or some shit.
Here?
Yes, like got sniped or some shit. I don't know.
I'm probably driving through this street right here. I didn't know that.
It's a lovely day to be a V8.
Be careful, there's Toby out here too.
Oh, look at the OG McDonald's.
Oh my god, that's the OG?
Yeah, I think it's the only one that's built like this. If I'm not mistaken. I don't know.
Wow, that's cool. Oh, you want to go to the Dallas King?
Damn, that shit look fire over there. What's that?
The one with the star?
The Star. You got something like that is.
Parkland Health. Yeah, we were on the street that JFK died on.
Oh yeah, I was right here. Man, I used to hate DoorDash through here though. Back in them broke days. I mean, I'm still in broke though. Ugly. Got everybody turning heads.
Literally.
Bro, watch how young butt get your ass hit.
City View.
Hell yeah, but these fucking roads is fucking horrible.
God damn.
Like, it's hard to fucking get traction on these hoes. Oh, it's red. See, I peeped that.
See, this one I'm scared to live in the city because the lights.
Oh, good. Like, it's too much shit going on. Like, why is the lights like this? They need to be over the fucking the roads and shit.
Oh, you know what's call it live down here too?
Who?
Kendrick Curry.
Let's put traction in
We got the Starbies.
street mode.
It's been so long since I've been in Dallas.
Green. See, we don't know where the fuck we going. We just driving.
Ooh, look at that. The stack one.
Wait, we was over here before for an order. I know he was.
It's
DoorDash.
like an old fashioned. The Dallas Morning News. The Soto. That's cool. The Selfie Studio. There's so many things down here. That's why I said I want to go downtown Dallas because they got so many things to do there.
Where's that hidden wing stop at?
Right. What is
The bump. I told you these roads is crazy.
that? You said, where's that hidden what?
That hidden wing stop that we was at last time. I think you ain't see it, but I saw it. It was like a locker room type of wing stop.
Shit, you gonna have to look all around the goddamn Dallas city. Let me see.
grip to my gas. What's y'all top speed, chat? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna break my top speed once I get a tune. For sure, for sure. After I get an intake and a few more appearance mods, I'm gonna get that tune for sure. A little stangy stang.
I think it's the one that's on Zane Boulevard. 9 minutes away.
Yeah. Damn, this road is cooked.
Twisted Root Burger. I heard they were good. Deep Ella. Oh, that's where it is. This is where Mama be.
How you know?
Look at it. It says Deep Ella.
Need to find something with a turn.
See? This is Deep Ella.
Let's see, got turn right here. Let me see.
Wait, does Stitch's ears look like that? Poke up like that?
No. I don't know. Make sure ain't no cars coming. I can't see behind this big ass van, so I'm gonna wait.
Hold on, wait for this truck. After this truck, you can go. Not this one, but the after white one.
I'm
Then
gonna
you can go. No, don't.
I'm gonna wait till it turn green. 'Cause I don't trust that shit. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna get T-boned. Where should we go? Let's make a right.
Ain't this going back out
I'm going back towards the city.
towards the city? Nothing but tracks.
I can't get no traction. God damn. But I can't wait to go catalyst chat. I'm debating on if I should just order catalyst mids, which is more expensive, or just go to an exhaust shop and ask them to cut that bitch off if they could. Like, oh hell yeah. Oh yeah, that was beautiful. Bro, this whole stopped recording in like 18 minutes, bro. I hope I ain't miss all that footage, dude.
The plant?
Let me get down there though.
No, I know this is the library. Oh, look at that, right? Take pictures over there. Look at that view. With the bulls.
Oh, that shit fire.
It's nothing but bulls. Steel bulls over here. Look at that shit.
I'm looking. Yeah, that shit good.
What?
But man, I'm mad as hell, bro. I hope I ain't get all. I mean, hope I ain't miss all like the
Go back
good
to where
shit.
it was last at. Go to the video, see where it was last at.
I got some good tunnel clips and some more shit.